What's up, guys? Jason back at Breakpoint. Today we're going to make barbecue sauce. So if you never made homemade barbecue sauce, it's going to taste way different than the stores. You might have your favorite bottle of barbecue sauce you get from the stores, but I guarantee you if you make this, it's not going to compare, okay? Because there's nothing like homemade anything, especially when it comes to sauces, folks. So super simple. We have 2 cups of ketchup here. We have brown sugar, dark molasses, white distilled vinegar, and my spices here, which all the ingredients will be listed down below. So I just put all the spices in one little dish here and mix them all up, okay? Make sure that you pack your brown sugar in the cup so it's a full solid third of a cup, okay? So get a saucepan. Now we're going to smoke some ribs later on today. We've got a couple racks of ribs we're going to smoke out in the smoker. So this is why we're making the sauce right now. But if you want this as a condiment, like your ketchup in the refrigerator and so forth, you're going to have to simmer this, bring this to a simmer after you're done incorporating all the ingredients on the stove. Bring it to a simmer. Once it's done, let it cool off and go ahead and put it in your container, your storage container, or whatever, your squeeze bottle, whatever you got going on for that. But this is going to go into the smoker. It's going to go, we're going to make a rub next, and we're going to coat our ribs in it, and we're going to use this barbecue sauce to finish it off. All right, so I got 2 cups of ketchup. That's going to go in. That's some white distilled vinegar here, and this is dark molasses here. You see it? It's pretty dark, like it should be. Get all that stuff in there. Okay. Gonna add the brown sugar. That's in. And then we got our spices here. I'm just gonna whisk this up. You can smell this already. I'm gonna bring it in here so you can see. Like I said, I'm gonna put this on my ribs in the smoker in a little while, but there's a lot of barbecue sauce in here, so what you could do is just put it on your stove, medium high heat, bring it up to a simmer, keep on stirring it. You know, you don't want to burn the bottom or anything like that. Now that it's well mixed, we're going to give it a taste. Yeah. Wow. That's good. It's tangy, a little bit of sweet, and you got chili powder in there, paprika powder, smoked paprika, cayenne, cumin, coriander. You got all kinds of stuff in there. Just look below. You'll see the ingredients. All right, folks. You see how easy that is? It'll literally take you like less than 5 minutes to make this. You know exactly what's in it. The ingredients are pure, and you don't have any preservatives, additives, and all this other junk that they put in the stores for you. All right, this is safe for your family. and it's super delicious. I hope you enjoy. See you next time.